Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Subhashri Das, back to my YouTube channel Emotions Unplugged. You would be wondering, it's been a long time we are meeting over here, again in my platform. Really it was difficult during this phase which I have overcome through. It was as if I lost a part of my life. When I lost my one and only younger brother, who was just something more than my only son. I really felt exactly at that point what is exactly the connotation of loss. I had given many lectures, many explanations, many experiences to my students while taking the class. What is exactly a loss of emotions? Now when I passed through that phase of this last 5 to 6 months, which had been really made me or my life completely miserable, I felt that as if something is missing. And what is exactly that missing? Emotions, which I am talking from the chapter 1 of my YouTube channel, is that part which entangles everywhere, starting from your emotions, starting from your feelings, starting from which you share your experience, everything. But here, when I'm sharing something in front of you, that means I have overcome that all those mental torture, mental agony, one shot of frustration, irritation, depression, you can say all the negativities as if they just surrounded this phase of my life. But slowly, when I came across one statement of Pablo Neruda, that earth can teach us a lesson. And what is that lesson that earth is going to teach us? Exactly. When everything becomes dry, planet also thinks that life can move on. Life has to move on. At that point I was stuck. I thought I have to move on. I have to share all those things which I have encountered and I have come across through. Because loss is also a part of our life. We have to accept that fact. When we are losing someone, not only we are losing a part of our life, but we are getting that much strength, that capacity to confront something which is standing in front of us. That yes, I have to move on. That wall clock, that minutes clock, that second clock, it ticks. That is suggestive that the journey has to move on. That will share you, that will reflect you what exactly the importance of emotions and feelings you have in our life. So, my audience, I just feel that let this short, brief sharing of experience will touch your mind and heart to express your own closed, hidden corner of some of your heart and mind, that what you have lost, you also need to express, because expression is the only medium where we can just feel like speaking out. And here today, I have also this note that loss of emotion is nothing, just a beginning of another phase of your life, which shows that life has to move on. I think I have a very brief scenario on this concept, which will be meeting very soon in the next phase with the next new chapter, which will be coming very soon with my channel. Till then, I hope you will be sharing and you will be acknowledging your loss and ready to share with me. And we will again meet in the very soon in the next new chapter of this loss of emotions. But kindly don't forget to comment, subscribe and give your feedback with my channel Emotions Unplugged. Take care. Bye-bye.